Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix the app not installed, not compatible with your phone error. Alright, let's begin. First, make sure your device is running the latest version of Android. Over here, go to Settings, scroll down to System or About Phone, and check for software updates. If an update is available, install it, as newer versions often resolve compatibility issues. After that, check if the app you're trying to install requires specific hardware or Android features. Go to the app's Play Store page from another device or web browser and review the requirements listed by the developer. If your device lacks required components like specific sensors or screen resolution support, the app might not work. Then, clear the Google Play Store cache and data. Over here, go to Settings, tap on Apps, find Google Play Store, and then tap on Storage. From here, clear cache and clear data. This can fix issues caused by corrupted temporary files. If you're installing an APK manually, make sure it's built for your device's architecture. Some APKs are split into different versions, like ARM, ARM64, or x86, and installing the wrong version will cause the compatibility error. Use an app like CPU-Z or Droid Info to confirm your device's specs, then download the matching APK. Also, check if Play Protect or your phone's security settings are blocking the installation. You can temporarily disable Play Protect by opening the Play Store, tapping on your profile icon, selecting Play Protect, and turning off Scan Apps with Play Protect. Finally, if none of these steps work, consider installing an older version of the app. Over here, search for a previous version that supports your Android version, and make sure to get it from a trusted source. Just keep in mind that older versions might lack features or security updates, and that wraps it up. So that's basically how you can fix the app not installed, not compatible with your phone error. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.